guys, welcome to another vlog. But I quickly need to show you guys this thing. This has to be one of the coolest things to be ever invented. So this kind of serves as a toothbrush holder slash, your whole vanity, holder and all. I just got this off Shopee, you guys, and I can't, like, if I tell you how much I got this for, it was less than 300 pesos, I think, but with delivery and all it was like 300 pesos. But this has to be the coolest thing ever. And this is, a cup. I wanted to show you guys while I was installing, but I was just trying to figure out how it works. So this is a cup, and basically it's magnetic. Like, how cool is that? So this is supposed to serve as where your toothpaste goes directly into it, but I'm having a situation here because the mouth is bigger than the space given. So probably when I change this particular paste, I can now use that particular spot. And here is like, wait, let me show you guys something. Here is like where you just press and then like everything goes inside. This is so cool, like so cool. They have no idea. I actually love this. I have some new buys from Shopee. I think I'm just going to show you guys some of the things that I got that are necessary actually. So guys, I know this face looks a mess, but let me quickly show you guys this tripod that I just got. I mean, it is so beautiful. I first saw this off a YouTuber's channel and stuff, and then I saw it on Instagram, and I had to look for a way to get it. And maybe because I was searching for audio transmitter actually, and then they recommended this product to me on Shopee, and I got it. It was 400 pesos, and I love it so much because you know why? It can actually use a remote. It does have a remote that you could use. So yeah, I've done a gear haul of what I use for my YouTube channel and all that. It is up on my channel, so I'm going to have it linked up there in the cards for you guys. But yeah, this is so cool. Like, you literally have to scroll up to make it higher or lesser or tighter. I mean, everything about this tripod is so good, and it's so affordable. I've not been a fan of Shopee because I feel like Shopee sells a lot of cheap stuff, but they don't last, so I never really buy from them. But yeah, this is actually a good buy, and the legs are pretty strong. So if you're a vlogger and you're looking for a tripod to buy to help you with your outdoor vlogging and videos, this comes highly recommended. Honestly, highly recommended. I think I will leave the links to them in my description box. All the things that I just said. I'm out of breath. Bye guys. My hairnet to tell me that you stole from me. Can you imagine friends that are like this? You people run away from them. People like, I've been looking for this thing.
You left it in my house.
I've been looking for this thing.
You left it in my house.
What was I supposed to do? What happened? Hey!
And this bonnet is everything.
And Judith has been looking for the bonnet to collect from me.
I don't understand.
Say hi. See, then you are leaving.
Until we meet again.
Bye bye, babe. Safe trip. Will you miss me?
No. I'll miss you. Bye.
Bye. Guys, so I know I've been MIA. I've been all over the place with this vlog. Anyway, so guys, the other day I went to Greenhills and it was so impromptu, and then I decided to vlog along the way and all that. So I remember not making a clip. I'm about to edit the video And I remember that I didn't, let you guys know that I was going to Green Hills and all that. So I've heard so much about Green Hills. Like I've heard a lot about this place that gadgets are very cheap. I've heard that you could get fake designers there. I've heard so many things about this place, and I was just like, you know what, I'm definitely going to vlog about that place because I don't know when next I'll be going there, you know, because I don't really think anything will be taking me there anytime soon. So yeah, I did go there. I saw a lot of cheap stuff, like even fake designers, you guys, fake designers that were going for like literally under $50 or $50. They were just within that range. And to me, I'm like, wow, like you could find Gucci, you could find Qatar, like there were just so many brands that were there, Chanel and the rest of them. And I was like, wow, like for real. I also saw something that I've actually been looking for. I've been struggling with in the Philippines there. I'm going to share that in another video for you guys. But I was really surprised to see that, and I'm just amazed that I could, film this particular content for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Have you been to Green Hills before? What do you think about it? It was packed on the day that I went. I don't feel like there are more vendors than there are customers there, but let me know what you guys think, about this video and all that. And yeah, please watch my videos to the end because I'm trying to hit the 4,000 watch time, and if you click out on my videos, there's no way I'm going to reach that goal. So help me out, guys. I'm also back to uploading every single day. God help me, starting from tomorrow when this video goes up. So yeah, God help me that I reach this goal. And yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. Bye guys.